Cellcore BioActive Carbon technology is a breakthrough innovation in nutritional supplementation. The human body is composed of 96% carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Tissues need these very elements to heal at the cellular level. Cellcore BioActive Carbon technology supplies the very building blocks needed for this process. BioActive Carbon is our proprietary blend of soil-derived, nutrient-rich fulvic acids added to nearly every Cellcore supplement. Cellcore BioActive Carbons contain short, medium, and long-chain carbons. The long-chain carbons work primarily within the gut, whereas the naturally occurring nano-sized short and medium-chain carbons are small enough to be transported systemically and get into the cell in mitochondria. Other traditionally used carbon-based ingredients like activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and diatomaceous earth contain spent carbons, which means their inherent chemical energy has already been utilized. Cellcore BioActive Carbons contain unspent carbons, which are essentially energized molecules. Once inside the cell, these unspent carbons have the energy to start necessary biochemical reactions while stopping negative ones. Our carbon technology acts as a binder, driver, and protector that supports the body at the cellular level.